Hello, this is Eric Miscoll with EMSNOW. I'm here at IPC Apex 2019 in San Diego, visiting some booths. Today right now I'm at the PACE Worldwide booth. Stop by with Eric here just to kind of get some updates about the market, about the products. Here what we're standing next to here seems to be BGA rework. So why don't you kind of tell us what's happening?
Yes, we're very, very excited about it. We've now introduced our complete line of BGA rework systems. Here we have the TF 1800 system, and its big brother is the TF 2800, and they can handle a full line or a full range of BGA and other land grid array rework challenges. I'm also very proud to announce that 2 weeks ago we were awarded a U.S. and European patents on our innovative induction convective technology. And what the inductive convection technology does, it allows the system to heat up very rapidly and cool down very rapidly. And when you can control those parameters of heating up and cooling down, you can control the process better. And that's really the edge that the TF systems offer over previous systems.
Now, at a bigger level as a company too, this is what, 60 years now in business, still family owned, right?
Yes, we're family owned. We just celebrated our 60th anniversary, and also I'm really proud to say that we have been involved in standards development with the IPC for a very large percentage of that time. In addition to the standards development, we also produce training and educational videos with the IPC on rework.
Oh, that's fantastic. Now, you don't just do the BGA rework. We also have a few things behind us. We won't step back and demonstrate or do them, but the audience can see. Would you like to tell us about that?
Sure. I think the main thing that I want people to know about our company is that we take the time, we do the research, we make sure our technology is sound, but we want to offer the very, very best, most capable products at a reasonable price, and that's where we are in the marketplace. For example, we just introduced this. You get a complete fume extraction system with a remote control, one arm and nozzle, and the list price on this is $795, and we're just introducing that here at the show. And also, we've kind of taken an older technology and really upgraded it and modernized it. Even the lowly soldering iron. This is our ADS 200. This is all metal construction. It lists for $239, and it is made as this product, the TF 1800 and 2800. It is made in the USA, and we're very, very proud of that. Getting back to the soldering station, what's important to the user? It's user-friendly. It's comfortable. The operators like it. This new station incorporates what we call our Cool Touch technology. The handle is hewn out of a solid chunk of aluminum. Why do we do that and go to that extra expense? It's comfortable and it dissipates heat, so that operator can be on the line all day with some of the heaviest loads, and the handle remains cool. And what's more important than the comfort and productivity of the operator?
No, absolutely. Listen, there's some exciting things here, and I appreciate you taking the time today, sharing what's happening with PACE and sharing that with our audience. So, Eric, continued success.
Great. Thank you very much, Eric.